Hey guys! So, do you have struggles with money? About how hard it is to earn cash? Maybe you just need some extra dollars in your pocket. Today, I will show you a way to earn money without doing any hard work. No need for an emailing list, no shenanigans attached. This is a free and easy method that works anywhere in the world, so don't worry if you think that this might not work.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
So this website that I will show you is called ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing site where you can sign up for an account, and what you can do when you are signed in is that you can choose from hundreds of products on the site to promote using your affiliate link. And once someone buys a product using your affiliate link, you will earn money from the commission that you will get when someone uses your affiliate link. Now, using ClickBank is simple. First, simply type in or go to clickbank.com. If you don't have one already, make sure to sign up for an account using your credentials such as name, email, and make sure to add a password. Once you're signed up and ready to go, you can start choosing a product or a service that you want to promote. For today's video, the types of products that I want you to promote are the ones in the e-business and e-marketing section. This product right here that says "Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube," press the affiliate page link at its bottom and it will take you to a different page. Once you're in the page, I want you to look for certain affiliate tools and I want you to look at specifically the Videos tab. At the top, there are many types of tools listed above, but I want you to look for the Videos button specifically. Once you press the Videos button, it will take you to the Videos part of the page and it will show you a collection of videos. Once there, what I want you to do is to choose a video and download it. For example, let's try downloading this news video. At the bottom of the video, there is a text that says "Click to download video" beside the text that states the title of the video that you may want to download. Once your video has finished downloading, I want you to go to your YouTube account. If you don't have one, you can register for free. Once you're in your YouTube account, I want you to press this camera with a plus icon and choose the option that says Upload. Once you press Upload, it will lead you to the YouTube Creator Studio. This is where you can upload the video that you just downloaded. To upload the video that you just downloaded previously, you drag your file from the Downloads tab, or you can browse for your files in the Download folder and click the downloaded file. After doing so, while the video is still uploading, you are going to have to fill in some details that will add to your video. First is you can give the video a title. The title usually doesn't matter as long as it somewhat relates to the video you downloaded. As an example, let's make our title "1 month social media job, join now." Once you added a title, go back to ClickBank and grab your affiliate link for the same product by clicking the Promote button beside the product. It will show you a pop-up page and make sure to press the Generate Hop link to create your own affiliate link and copy it. Once you have your hop link, go to any URL shortener website like Bitly and shrink your URL. To do this, as an example, we will use Bitly. Go to the Bitly website and log in. If you do not have an account, make sure to register for free. It's easy and free to do. Once you are registered and logged in, shrink your URL in the website.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Once you've shortened your URL, make sure to add it into your description with some text saying something like "Sign up for free now," and then paste your shortened link beside it. It doesn't need to be anything fancy or anything super special, but if you want to, that's just fine. Once you've added both the title and the description, just click on Next until you get to the visibility page and make sure to set it as unlisted, not private, not public, just unlisted. After the video has been uploaded, the next step is to go to this website called answerthepublic.com. What this website does is that anyone can ask questions on this website and type keywords. So what we will do right now is to first set the country as the USA and type in the search bar, "Make money online." The results will actually show you what are the most popular keywords and also questions related to your input, "Make money online." Then our next step is to go to Google Ads and create a new ad campaign using the preset "Create a campaign without a goals guidance." We are going to make a video campaign and select Custom Video Campaign. Once you choose the type of campaign, you are going to fill in information about your campaign. First is the title. Let's say the title for this one is "Earn Money with Zero Work." Then add a budget for this video. Let's say maybe $10 a day. Then in the networks, only put a check on the YouTube videos and the Google search results option. This is important, so you should do this. And in the territories, you should not pick all countries and territories. Instead, just select the United States of America since they have a large buyer population compared to other countries. Then when you scroll down, change the ad group name. Let's say as an example, Campaign Group 1. Then down here, you are going to input the keywords for your ad. And what you're going to do is just copy keywords and phrases from your search in the Answer the Public website. Add the keywords that you would like and what you think would generate a lot of traffic. Then what you do next is copy the URL of the video we uploaded and paste it on the Create Your Video ad bar. Once you're done, make sure to choose the skippable in-stream ad option. And the final URL is the page where the user will be directed to if they clicked on the ad. After that, make sure to tick the box that says Call to Action. Then on the Call to Action bar, type in Sign Up, and the headline should be something like this: Start right now. After that, in the ad URL bar, this is where you input your affiliate link. Scroll down to put your name on the ad, and for this video, let's just name it Ad 1. On the maximum cost per view, set it to a value like 20 cents. After that, you are now ready. Click on the Create Campaign button and continue to campaign. That's about it right now. This is how you can make money using ads. You can just get an affiliate link, download a video, upload it somewhere else, and turn it into an ad campaign. That's so cool, right?
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.